So the journey towards sustainable sanitation and environmental health requires collective action, genuine commitment of all sectors of the society. Ang bawat isa sa atin ay may responsibilidad na panatilihing malinis ang ating kapaligiran. Ang mga ito ay sumasagisag sa ating katangian bilang bagong Pilipino, disiplinado, mahusay, at mahal ang bayan.
We are thrilled to gather today, united by our shared commitment to maintaining clean, healthy, and sustainable environment. This convention represents a unique opportunity for us to share knowledge, exchange ideas, and collaborate on best practices in sanitation inspection.
Today, we are honored to have delegates from various regions across the Philippines, from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao.
Sanitation is not just an issue of infrastructure, but one of public health, environmental sustainability, and social responsibility. This gathering is an opportunity to exchange good practices and innovative ideas and strengthen collaborations among our stakeholders.